Oh, I didn't even make sure my eyebrows was... It is what it is. My eyebrows gonna be what they're gonna be today. And don't worry, it's me. I just have a bare face and straight hair. It's still me. There are 6 more days till Christmas, and that means today is Vlogmas Day 2 for me. And I have the perfect Christmas gifts for you. Today we are making makeup bags, and that is why my face is bare today, because I figured that it would be super fun to tell you how to make makeup bags, but also have you get ready with me. So let's do it. I'm Angelina, and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just unique as us. I am so excited about these bags because not only can they be for makeup, but because of the shape of them, they would make the perfect men's attaché case as well. I don't even know if they call it that anymore, but a men's personal bag, personal care bag. It would be perfect for that as well. So get ready. I'm going to show you everything on how to do it. Start off with my primer. I just do the same thing over and over again. Okay, so first thing you're going to do, you can see that I am using a pair of jeans, one leg of a pair of jeans that I had left from any number of 50 million denim projects that I've been working on. And I am just cutting it so that I can get as square a piece as possible. And the dimensions for the big one, for this one, is 16 inches by 12 inches. And then this one is 16 inches by 9 inches. Well, the next thing I'm going to do is put on my foundation, and I just use the Rimmel London, and my base is the Rimmel London Stay Matte, and I use the Rimmel London Lightweight Shine Control. It's a liquid mousse foundation. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do with the makeup bag, I use Heat and Bond in order to stiffen the bag up. And the Heat and Bond also provides a kind of glossy coating on the inside, so that if some of your makeup wastes a little bit, it won't mess up the denim. But you're going to cut a square piece of that, and you're going to iron it onto the denim. I didn't cut out the actual shape until I got the Heat and Bond on there. And this makeup is actually my summer color, but I'm just too lazy to find the exact right color for my winter color. Alright, so I want to say welcome to all of our new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for joining the Blueprint DIY family. And I have a goal to reach 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So you guys keep subscribing, and please keep sharing these videos to your social media so that everybody will know the amazing stuff that's going on here, even when I make mistakes. But whatever. Alright, so once you get the Heat and Bond, oh, and I use my fingers to rub in my foundation. I just prefer it that way. But once you get the Heat and Bond attached to the denim, you're going to then cut out your shape for the bag. And I will make sure I pause this a good amount so that you can take a nice screenshot of it, because I'm not doing a pattern or anything for this, but I will show you the dimensions, the exact dimensions that I used in order to make both bags. And you can take a screenshot of it and, you know, just kind of measure it yourself in order to get the bag. So I measured with a ruler and a pencil. My rotary blade is a little dull, so I'm not trusting that as of late. You'll want to go ahead and measure that out, cut it out. Alright, so I am running out of my concealer, so I actually have this other liquid, or like liquid mousse foundation, the Stay Matte foundation. Now if I come out looking like a clown, I'm gonna blame it on y'all. Because I am not a makeup YouTuber, beauty YouTuber. But yeah, I just do this to make myself look a little bit more awake. Try to take off the fact that I have 3 busy kids and all the other stuff. Alright, so I have it cut out, and let's pause here so that you can get the screenshot of the dimensions. And this is the screenshots for the large one, but then you'll see the or. So the lower measurement is the one for the shorter bag, and then the higher measurement is the one, if it says or, that's the one for the larger bag. Okay, so I do have a little bit more concealer in here. Oh, I didn't even make sure my eyebrows was... It is what it is. My eyebrows gonna be what they're gonna be today. I'm just highlighting just my nose, under my eyebrow, oh, here, under my eyebrows and over my eyebrows. And that concealer is which I need some more, the NARS concealer. I look like a kid doing this with my finger, but it is the way I do it. So the next part we're going to do, before we get to doing any sewing, we are going to put whatever graphic we want on there. And so I just printed out some words. This one says hashtag makeup addict, and this one says BU with the Blueprint DIY logo. But you know, whatever you want to put it on there specifically for the person that you are making it for, that, you know, would be awesome, and it'll be personal for them. You could even put their name. So I just went to my computer and printed out, you know, the words on just a regular 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and then I got my X-Acto knife and cut out the words. And I'll use a glue stick all around the underside of it, around where the cutout is, and I just add the glue and then just press it down on the denim. And that helps to, when you're doing the paint or whatever you're going to do, it helps it to not come up just for that temporary moment. But once you pull it out, you don't see any glue or any residue, and that's why I like doing that. And using the glue also helps with those little pieces that are in the middle of a letter. So an A or a P or a D. Okay, so once I have the glue on there and I have it down on the denim, I'm actually going to use a fabric marker in order to fill it in, because it dries instantly. There is no, you don't have to wait any time, no drying time after you take the stencil off. So I just went in with the fabric marker and dotted it, you know, lightly until it was all filled in, being careful to go from the outside in versus going towards the paper. You don't want to go towards your paper because then it'll bleed underneath. And then just go ahead and fill it all in. And once you have your stencil filled in, just pull it up, the paper up, and then don't forget to pull up the little circles that might be in between the letters, and you are done with the stenciling. All right, so I have a very broken, whoa! Very broken ColourPop Hello Kitty, what is this stuff called? I'm not a makeup person. Highlighter. It's a highlighter, and I just use it on my nose, a little bit up the bridge, on my highlight my cheekbones, and then right underneath my eyebrows, and then a little bit right here. All right, for the sewing part, you'll see that I have a reuse zipper. I often, if I find, especially when I go to the thrift outlet, if I find a handbag that is completely trash, like it's at quarter day and it's a trash bag, like honestly it's ripped up and stuff like that, I love to get those and take the zippers off of them and reuse the zipper. Oftentimes the zippers are still good, so I'm going to go ahead and take off the rest of the fabric from the zipper, and so that I can reuse that. I forgot to record myself sewing it, so I just very quickly cut this one, and I think it's an opportunity because this I was able to, I don't have time to do a stencil, so I just put a little patch on here and to give it some graphics, and I already had a zipper that has everything taken off of it, so I am going to use this and we are going to put this together very quickly. All right, so we are going to start off by just folding this over a little tiny bit and sewing it to one side of the zipper. So then I am going to sew on the other side, making sure to match, to line up my side, so that should line up with that. All right, I'm gonna sew down as far as I can, then I'll go from the other side. A lot of you say I have a hard time sewing straight, and you know, I think most of us do, but matching thread certainly helps. All right, so now we're gonna turn it inside out and begin to sew the inside of it. First thing you're gonna do is smash it down this way and sew across the zipper. Then you are going to take each side, pinch it the other way, and sew it across there. And you want to be intentional about the way that you fold your zipper. I fold my zipper downward so that when I turn it out, you know, right side out, the zipper will be kind of standing up. And then you do the other side. All right, so for the other side that's not closed by the zipper, you just want to make sure you push it together as much as possible when you are sewing it. And because I forgot to add the tie on the other side, I'm going to add it on this side. Yay! All right. And I'm gonna back stitch over the zipper. And then just like the other side, and make sure that you have a little space there so that you can actually open that zipper up and get it turned around, because if you don't leave no space, then you won't be able to turn it right side out. All right, let's turn it the right side out. And that's it. All right, well, I'm pretty done with the whole day. Just throw the whole day away, because I said I'm not a beauty YouTuber. I'm supposed to be a fashion YouTuber, and how can a fashion YouTuber forget to record the sewing part? That shows how easy this project is. We made this little bad boy in just actually literally about 20 minutes. So I know that you guys can do it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.